is the Lord's Prayer and how does it guide our prayers? Across the various denominations of Christianity, there is one prayer that most practice. It is beautiful and impactful prayer that brings unity and togetherness to the body of Christ. It is the prayer taught to us by Jesus himself, which has been termed the Lord's Prayer. This prayer is found in two of the Gospels, Saint Luke and Saint Matthew. In Luke's Gospel, we find a shortened version. Although the version of the Lord's Prayer is shorter in Luke's Gospel, the wording in both is nearly identical. It makes sense that Jesus would have taught this prayer on multiple occasions to his disciples and followers. The Lord's Prayer is the prayer that Jesus taught his followers to say when they asked him to teach them how to pray. It has been learned by majority of Christians throughout the history of the church. What is the Lord's Prayer? In Matthew's Gospel, during the Sermon on the Mount, Jesus preached about many topics, one of which was how to pray. It is during the portion of Jesus' sermon that he instructed the people to pray in certain way. This then is how you should pray. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. What is the context of the Lord's Prayer? This demonstration of prayer taught by Jesus was simple. Yes, it shows us how we can come to God in prayer. Jesus was often seen going away from crowds to pray and spend time with her Father. He recognized the significance of having a healthy prayer life and practiced it regularly. It is no surprise that during his Sermon on the Mount, he taught the people about prayer. Jesus taught the Lord's Prayer during his Sermon on the Mount. The Sermon on the Mount is found in Luke's 5:7. It is the 3 chapters and is the longest recorded sermon given by Jesus. Scholars believe it would have been taken about 10 to 15 minutes for Jesus to deliver this impactful, life-changing sermon. When Jesus spoke, he taught the Lord's Prayer to those who were at the Sermon on the Mount. Before Jesus began teaching about prayer, he was instructing the people to not practice righteousness and goodness in front of others to get recognition and praise from fellow humans. Rather, they should do good and righteous things in secret, and God will reward them for their obedience and faithfulness. Be careful not to practice your righteousness in front of others to be seen by them. If you do, you will have no reward from your Father in heaven. It is in this context that Jesus teaches about 3 spiritual practices that should be done in the secret to the best of your ability. The first, when his followers give to the needy and poor. Second, when they pray. Third, when they fast. All these spiritual disciplines should be done in obedience to God, not to make ourselves look good in front of others. When Jesus spoke specifically about prayer, he warned the people to not pray openly to gain attention and to not pray along prayers to impress others. And when you pray, do not be like the hypocrites, for they love to pray, standing in the synagogues and on the street corners to be seen by others. Truly, I tell you, they have received their reward in full. But when you pray, go into your room, close the door, and pray to your Father who is unseen. Then your Father who sees what is done in secret will reward you. And when you pray, do not keep on babbling like pagans, for they think they will be heard because of their many words. May God bless you all.